Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the active specification. So this car has great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You also get DAB digital radio, there's air conditioning and cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done under 10,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.